Understanding Body Grooming, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic in the English language: body grooming. This phrase might be new to many of you, so I'm here to explain what it means and how it's used in everyday conversation. Let's dive in and learn something new today. Body grooming refers to the practice of maintaining one's physical appearance, especially in terms of body hair. This can involve shaving, trimming, or styling hair on various parts of the body such as the face, legs, arms, or even the chest and back. It's a part of personal hygiene and is considered an essential aspect of self-care. Different cultures have varying perspectives on body grooming. In some cultures, it's seen as a necessary part of daily hygiene, while in others, it might be more related to fashion and personal style. Understanding these cultural differences is important, especially when interacting with people from diverse backgrounds. In modern society, body grooming is often associated with personal grooming and beauty standards. It's not just about cleanliness but also about self-expression. People choose different grooming styles to express their personalities or to conform to societal expectations of beauty. There are various tools and techniques used for body grooming. These include razors, electric trimmers, waxing kits, and even laser hair removal procedures. Each method has its own pros and cons, and people choose based on their comfort, skin type, and desired results. When talking about body grooming, you might come across phrases like shaving, waxing, trimming, or laser hair removal. It's good to familiarize yourself with these terms as they are commonly used in discussions about personal care and hygiene. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the concept of body grooming. Remember, it's all about taking care of your body and feeling confident in your skin. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future. Keep learning and stay curious.